Hey friends! Okay, so today I want to walk you through how to do this super awesome, super cute and adorable felt ball garland. So I've got a kit in my shop that you can buy all the materials and supplies, but I just want to get to it because building your own felt ball kit is way easier than you think. You just need a few tools and a few ingredients. I guess you're baking it. You just need a few tools to make this happen, and it makes such a fun, cute little thing for your home over the holidays. Let's do it, guys. All right, so all you need is all your felt balls, nice twine, some runaway felt balls, a nice little needle, an awl or pliers. So we got our little twine here. I'm only doing 4 feet right now, but all of my kits and everything will be 6 feet. It's just, in order to show you on camera, there's no way you could see all 6 feet right now. So we're doing 4 feet. On your first side, we're gonna go ahead and just make a tiny little loop here, tie it into a knot, and then get started here. So there we go. That's all we're gonna do. So we have a little knot and a loop, and this is just gonna help you hang it. So that's your base point right now. We're going to grab our balls and we're gonna establish our pattern. For this ball kit, I've got my white, burgundy, and lime green. So we're gonna do a white one, a green one, a red one, green one, white one. I said red, but it's burgundy. Oops, see, I'm messing up my pattern already. But this is basically our pattern right here, and we're just gonna repeat it over and over and over again. One way that you can do this is start off with your awl. You can get these at Amazon. I'll also leave a link below so you can get this exact awl. But one way to do it is you're gonna stab all your felt balls and create nice little holes in them. I like to wiggle it around a little bit to really make that hole good. So you can do that, and you've got holes now on all of your things, on all your balls, so you can do that across the board on all of them. But the method that I'm gonna use, and I'll show you right now because I think it goes a little bit faster, I'm gonna string my needle. So all my kits will come with a needle, and it's a wide-eyed needle, so it's got a big, nice hole to string it. Okay. So we have it strung, our needle strung. First of all, this is the one we did with the hole, so I'm gonna go ahead and string this one real quick. We're gonna follow that hole. Actually, no, we're gonna use this hole first. Our big, nice big hole. Nope. There it is. And then go ahead and string that on. The reason I don't like that is that you might stab yourself, and it takes a little bit of time to sit there and go through and stab all the holes, and you gotta make sure that you feed it through the right hole every time. So what I like to do is string your needle through, and if you notice, it gets a little hard right here. This is where you've got the wide-eyed needle part and 2 pieces of thread, so it's hard to pull it through. I grab my handy-dandy pliers and I just pull it through with my pliers. That gives me enough tension to grab it and pull it through. And it's just super fast. So I literally leave my needle in my pliers and I don't even touch it again. And I'm using my pliers the whole time to thread my felt ball garland. So you're literally just gonna keep going with your pattern. I think a white ball just rolled away. Just grab another one here. So I just feel like this method is faster, but you can use whatever you have, whatever you feel more comfortable with. So for instance, if you're doing this with like children or something, maybe you could definitely pre-do all of the holes first, and then they can get they've got like plastic needles too that you could use, or a real needle, it's totally fine. But it might help them do it as well, where like working with pliers can be a little bit more of a challenge. So let me kind of show you. So we're at this point where we're running out of space, right? So I'm gonna make sure my tail doesn't go. So what I like to do is just kind of every once in a while you gotta kind of stop and feed them down. But look how easy it is. I mean, I've been sitting on this, for like 2-3 minutes, and I already strung like most of my balls here. So we're just gonna keep on going. And then I'm gonna show you in a minute the best way to store these. So because felt ball garlands are so versatile with the colors that you can choose, it makes sense to make a ton of them in so many different colors. I mean, how cute would this be for like a birthday banner if you did birthday colors and whatnot. So let me show you a great way to store these. So all the felt balls you can find in my shop under supplies. You can definitely build your own here. Okay, so towards the end, we're gonna wanna make this little tail a little bit shorter. All right, so perfect. Our needle is out and we're gonna do that same loop at the end here. That way you can easily hang these. You're at your house. I'm just gonna put my pliers through my hole here. Grab my loop, help make my knot. Perfect. Anyways, so obviously we need to work on our spacing. So that's what I love about felt ball garlands is that like you literally can just sit there and play with it. Best way to do this is hang this on your wall. Just hang it, you know, vertically and just sit there and pull your balls down until you have the perfect spacing. Like so. Super easy. It's easy for me right now because this is only 4 feet, so it's easy to manipulate and stuff, but like if you're doing a 6-foot garland, that's gonna be a little bit challenging, but look how easy that was. Okay, so now Christmas is over, you're ready to change out your decor, you're ready for your Valentine's Day garland. How do you store this? Because I'll tell you right now, how easy is this thing to get like tangled up and a mess. So, best way to store these guys. You're gonna go ahead and smush all of your felt balls to one end. Gone under my table. So you've got all your felt balls. Now these ones will not get tangled on each other. We're just gonna go ahead and wrap this up and then wrap. And now just store it like this in a little bag and it won't get tangled up on itself. And then you can easily hang it back up, reposition your felt balls, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for joining me on this felt ball garland. Be sure to grab your kit at my shop link below so that you can get all the supplies you need to make your own felt ball garland. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you loved this video. Comment below with where you're gonna put your felt ball garland this year. And check out some of my other videos that have to do with all of my super cute Christmas crafts so that you can definitely decorate your home full circle this Christmas.